To use Apple Card cashback, start by understanding how the program works. Apple Card offers cashback rewards on every purchase. With no rotating categories or spending limits, you can earn up to 3% cashback on certain purchases, 2% on Apple Pay transactions, and 1% on everything else. First, make sure you have the Apple Card set up in your Wallet app. If you don't have the Apple Card, you can apply for it directly from the Wallet app on your iPhone. Once you have the card, you can start making purchases and earning cashback rewards. To see your cashback rewards, open the Wallet app and select your Apple Card. Scroll down to the Rewards section, where you will see the total amount of cashback you have earned. You can also view your rewards history to see how much cashback you have earned on individual purchases. To redeem your cashback rewards, go to the Wallet app and select your Apple Card. Tap on the Rewards section, then tap on the cashback amount. You will be given the option to apply the cashback to your Apple Card balance or to transfer it to your bank account. One of the best features of Apple Card cashback is that there are no minimums to redeem your rewards. You can redeem your cashback at any time, even if you have only earned a small amount. Additionally, your cashback rewards never expire, so you can save them up over time to make a big purchase. To maximize your cashback rewards, try to use your Apple Card for all of your daily purchases. Use Apple Pay whenever possible to earn 2% cash back, and take advantage of the 3% cashback offered on certain purchases, such as buying Apple products or using certain merchant apps. By following these steps and using your Apple Card regularly, you can earn significant cashback rewards and make the most of your Apple Card cashback benefits. Remember to always check your rewards balance and redeem your cashback regularly to get the most value out of your Apple Card.